Guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a Gumroad tutorial. I don't know if this will end up being one part or two parts, but I do want to show you guys how to quickly set up a product on your Gumroad store that also triples, I guess you would say, a two-step funnel, and then also how to create a scheduled email series or not funnels really, but email marketing in your Gumroad course. But before we get there, I want you guys to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. It is www.youtube.com/smileyquanta, and you can come over here, subscribe, and then make sure you hit the notification bell. So this course tutorial, however you want to say it, is strictly for anyone who has a Gumroad account. If you do not have a Gumroad account and you are now watching this, you didn't read the description and therefore there is no refund, because it will say that this is a tutorial on how to set up a Gumroad store, okay? So no refund if you bought this and you don't have a Gumroad store. It is for someone who is thinking about opening a Gumroad store and someone who has a Gumroad store. If you are just putting up products but don't have any follow-up to anything, then this course is for you, just to show you how to navigate your Gumroad store and get the most out of it. I do have a premium account, which is $10 a month, but it is because I joined the Gumroad group and I applied for something and I was able to get access to a premium account for free. But if you don't, it is $10. So the first thing we're going to go to products, because this is where we're going to create a new product, right? So I have all these, different products here. We're going to go ahead to new product. And then they have 3 different sections where you can start selling today, you can do a pre-order, or you can do a membership. So I have done a pre-order, and I do currently have a niche research guide membership that is reoccurring every month. But most of my digital products are classic, which is I start selling today. So that's what you will click on. So the name of this product is just going to be test product. Okay. I am going to do this one for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up a freebie and have a drip effect where someone purchases a freebie and you have a follow-up for a premium product, which is basically a 2-step funnel. Okay. So you would click this here if it is a product that is a physical good. So say if you're selling a shirt or a physical paperback book, you would put it here, and that would basically trigger it to let you know that you need to accept shipping addresses and stuff. But this is a digital freebie product that we have. Yes, like I said, yes, you can sell, different physical products, but digital products work best for me. So this is a test product. Note that this little box pops up here, lets you know that you can upload a YouTube video or a photo. I don't have any photo. I think I do have a photo, maybe. Let me see. Probably not. So I don't have a photo up, but you can put that there. So, description. This is a test Gumroad product for a 2-step funnel. So what you need to answer here in your description: who, what, why, when, and I guess sometimes how. Why? Because these people need to know, who is this product for? So this product here is for anyone who wants to set up a Gumroad store or has a Gumroad store but needs to find a way to make more money. What is it? This is a digital download. Okay? It's a digital download. Why? Why will this product help? This product will help what? What is the outcome of buying this product? When this may not be, easy for most people, but you can say things like, you can do this in 10 minutes. So this setup can take 10 minutes. How? Sometimes that's more like sort of what will happen after I purchase. Kind of let them know what's going to happen after their purchase. It's a digital download. You'll get a file, you'll get a PDF, you'll get a JPEG where you can use it at XYZ. It's a video that is embedded. It's a video that will link you to a unlisted playlist on YouTube. It is a workbook that you can download or upload or print out. So they want to know what will happen after their purchase. So I think I have. Did I do the file? That's the video. There we go. So here's the Gumroad test cover. Make sure that you create a good color. Okay, so I have like a whole color scheme for my store. It's best to kind of keep things going. So, call to action, buy this, pay. I like the buy this. Also, you can do a little quick summary of what you'll get. And then I'll just put free download. And I think that'll show up somewhere over there. So here you can add additional details if you want to. And then here is where you can do the content. So I'm going to show you two different ways. So you can upload a file. And I just have a Gumroad test file in Word. That's one way you can upload a file. Or you can redirect to a URL after purchase. So we're gonna go here. I have the YouTube video. It's really nothing on there, but it's a YouTube video. So we tested the link, and this is how they'll get the content. It'll either be from a video or a download. So I wanted to make sure that you understand that you can do both. In the video, you might have the download in the description box, but this is just two ways that you can do it. You will generate a unique license key if you were selling something that was like a software and you needed people to have a key to access it, okay? Also, pricing is going to be free because again, it's a freebie. We want to use it for our two-step funnel. So I like to go ahead and put my suggested amount as 5, and that's what it will show up in the box. And I like tips, so that's what we'll do. Offer variations of this product. You can add a version of this product if there's one that's free and one that maybe is a prerequisite to the freebie, or before the tripwire or whatever you are giving away in your two-step funnel. You can do that here. You can limit the amount of people who can get this product. Say only 20 people, 25 people can get this freebie. On the tag of it, it'll say only 25 available. And then here you can allow customers to choose the quantity. But again, it's a freebie, so you don't need to do any of that. So here we have what it is. It's a free download. It's 0. I have the information that I wrote there with you. I have my call to action. Everything looks good. So then you could hit save changes. And then also you can create your own, what's the thing called? Your own link. So I'll say test course. So then we'll hit publish, okay? So, that one is taken. So we'll put 1 test course. All right, so you're gonna have your 1 test course. Also, another thing that you should look at is the checkout section. So you can add a discount code if this was something that they were paying for, right? You could add a discount code, but we don't have that. But if you do add a discount code, make sure you turn the discount field on so that they can actually check out, right? So you would need to add the discount checkout field as well. Here you can have their full names. You know, it's not required for shipping here. And then on your receipt, you can say, thanks for downloading this freebie. You can say, follow me on Instagram. So you can kind of put anything on that little receipt. Okay? There we go. And then also you have where you can embed, overlay the product. It'll be shown on your creator profile. Also, you can add tags to this. So this is a test, right? So that's a test. So this would be a tag for, you know, test or whatever. Also, you can display your product's 1 to 5 star rating. And this is for marketing it if it contains content that is for adults. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save changes. So let's see how long this video is right now. So it is 11 minutes. So we are going to have this as a part 1. And then I'm going to come back for part 2. And this is going to show you the second step of your funnel. After they purchase your freebie, we're going to do an update on what you are going to actually be selling them. So you got their email, they bought the freebie. How are you going to set up that funnel to sell to them either immediately after or a couple of days after they have their freebie?